Hello everyone, welcome back to another Watchin. Today I've got a quick box opening. Before we get to that, we'll do a quick wrist check. You'll see that I am wearing my Sal Baltimore Torsk Diver. And honestly guys, I'm shooting this now to my normal area, normal setup, so my lighting's a little off. You can see I got a little bit more reflection than normal. The audio might be a little off too, but I wanted to knock out this box opening. So this is a watch from Watchgang, but I don't think it's my black membership. The only other watch I had coming from them was they did a CEO box and on the wheel, and I did that, so it's a mystery watch, but I don't think that's shipped yet either. I think this is actually going to be a watch that I kind of semi-randomly won while watching one of the live broadcasts. Also guys, perfect time of year for watch buying. If you're buying for yourself, make sure you click through my links below to Aviate, Spinnaker, and Ballast, and maybe save yourself a little bit of money. Let's see what we got. So that's what I was right. So I was the winner of Sam's watch on December 6th, 2019 for correctly guessing "So I Married an Axe Murderer" reference. So it was funny, they were doing one of the live, it was a Rolex giveaway, and Matt and Sam were going back and forth, and one of them said something about, a quote from "So I Married an Axe Murderer," which if you haven't seen that movie from it's an early Mike Myers movie. It's pretty awesome. Definitely worth seeing it. And Sam said, "I'll give my watch to whoever guesses that movie." And I love that movie, so I knew it right away. But since this was one of the, he got a little Sam spice on him. This is a Nodus Dive Chrono 500, which you guys have actually seen this watch before, because I got this as a subscription watch at one point, and believe it or not, I sold that one. So kind of cool to get another one again. I actually like these. And let's see, I guess Sam and I have similar wrist size, so all the more reason to be part of the Watchgang Facebook community and to tune into those live giveaways. You never know, you might win a free watch like I did. So pretty awesome. Let me know what you guys think of this one in the comments below. As always guys, thanks for watching.